Good morning, fourth graders. We're back here in math class, and of course we're going to start off with the exit ticket. All right, so this is something we worked on yesterday. We're going to do our best to get through this. I'm going to give you, I don't know, probably 3 minutes to get through this. Let me read the questions for you before we get started though. All right, how many right angles make a full turn? If you remember that, there's this piece right here that we did yesterday, okay? How many right angles make a full turn? All right, that's the first question. And it says, what is the measurement of a right angle? Hopefully you remember that. Okay. Now, this one I went over with my class a couple hundred times yesterday. What fraction of a full turn is 1 degree? Okay? So let's see if you remember how to write that as a fraction, 1 degree as a fraction. Okay? And then down here it says, name at least 4 benchmark angle measurements. So we talked about in the video yesterday, benchmark measurements. Get as close to get as close as you can to 4 angles here, okay? And we'll go from there. It's just gonna write them out, all right? So got about 3 minutes to get through this. Teachers, you can pause the video now. All right, there's your time. So let's take a look. How many right angles make a full turn? All right, if you remember, this is what we were talking about, right? How many right angles do you see? So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's my answer. 4 right angles make a full turn, okay? All right, restate the question there. Okay, next one. What is the measurement of a right angle? The measurement of this right angle, remember we talked about that yesterday, is 90 degrees, okay? 90 degrees right there, okay? Yep, and then what fraction of a full turn is 1 degree? This is a really hard one to restate. See, I had to use this all as white out. So 136, 1/360th is the fraction of 1 degree of a full turn. Okay? And then down here, let's name at least 4 benchmark measurements. So 45 degrees, really important. 90 degrees, 180 degrees, those are all very important. 360 degrees, okay? I also put more down here as 270, 30 degrees, and 60 degrees. Those are all benchmark measurements, okay? Benchmarks mean things you should know. Measurements, angles, and degrees that you should know, no problem by the time you leave 4th grade, okay? All right, so we're gonna be right back with our I can statement. With that I can statement, we're going to learn how to use a protractor, okay? So your teachers are gonna pass out protractors for you. And we're going to go over some rules about protractors in the next video. All right, so hang tight, be right back.